Inverter aircon vs non-inverter aircon. Inverter air conditioners are newer in the market and they usually come with a different rating. While non-inverter aircon have energy-efficient rating, inverter aircon are marked with inverter rating. Let's take a look at the basic differences between inverter AC and non-inverter AC. Function of the inverter. The biggest difference between these two types of aircon lies in the functionality of the inverter, the best tool to save electricity. The inverter in inverter aircon helps to control the speed of the compressor motor, thereby changing the temperature as per requirement. This can reduce the electricity consumption of your air conditioner. While in non-inverter aircons the compressor motor it operates at complete capacity or none at all and switched off. This can cause unwanted current consumption and high electricity bill. Difference between compressor units. Inverter aircons generally operates by a controllable compressor unit. When cooling or heating capacity is needed to be increased, the compressor works at a high speed that increases the quantity of refrigerant. However, in non-inverter air conditioners, there is no way of controlling the compressor. It operates either at full capacity or none at all. When high amounts of refrigerant are needed it turns on, while the need is low, it turns off, causing unnecessary energy consumption. Eco-friendliness. When compared to non-inverter aircons, inverter aircon are much more friendly to the environment. Inverter aircon can detect sudden fluctuation in the room temperature, which leads the compressor to slow down or work faster. Generally, inverter aircons need 30 to 50% less electricity than non-inverter air conditioner. Money always matters. The only drawback of inverter air conditioners is the huge price. Initially, the unit and the installation cost a lot than non-inverter aircon. But when you think about it in details, you will see that the price is justified. Inverter aircons save up to 50% electricity than non-inverter aircons. Difference between the units working. The short it can be said that inverter aircon are more precise. Non-inverter AC provides a fixed heating or cooling by a fixed power with the compressor running at a fixed speed. The compressor has to start and stop when required. On the other hand, inverter aircon have a controllable compressor that provides the exact amount of heating and cooling as needed. So, in terms of efficiency and precision, inverter air conditioners are much better.